I have this infamous Porsche 911 and Boxster cup holder, Cayman as well actually. So, and my right side cup holder wasn't locking in place, and when I opened the assembly, I found that the arm, the same arm that as we have here on the left side, which is attached to the base with kind of clip style mounting. It's plastic, you see, like it's kind of spreads and locks in place. So one of those little clips was broken. So I removed the the center part. You see, like it's like almost round now. I used some cutting cutters. I removed it, used some files to make it more round, and then I printed the little sleeve that I would like to put inside. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install that thing back here, and I'm gonna use the little screw from the bottom right here, and we'll see if we can make this thing work again. So this is the little mechanism installed, bolted from the bottom. The bolt almost flush with this little sleeve, and I think it should still have enough space for this cup holder to move. Let's test it. Okay, I put a couple bolts on the top to hold the lid in place. And, hold on. Looks like it's working. Fixed it.